check the pressure on. Should be on. Anyway, it all started because I had an exhaust leak right down there where the stars are. So I fixed that. The car was running terrible because it was sucking air. Don't need a blade. I gotta change this yet. I gotta change that, put a new one. But that's really baffling me. Why is that whole thing running? It's not connected. It's not connected. Bling, 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 bling. Doing this for you, Louie. Bling, bling. Bling, bling.